you remember, I guess I can work over here. I'm going to take this 2x6 out right there so I can check out this plywood, and I'm sure it's pretty waterlogged. See how it was bad up there, and probably around the corner. My guess is I'm going to have to take that one out too, and that one. So I think that's what I'm going to work on next. Yeah, so you know what I'm going to do, right? Let's take my big, huge flat bar. Let's see what I can do with that. Looks like I'm going to have to take the nails off down at the bottom. And I use my cat's paw for that because they just toenailed them in. See down here, there's 3 nails. Now how am I going to use this? It's tricky to get down in there, but it's work from the bottom up. Get my crummy screwdriver out. Just gonna get the head of the nail out a little bit. There we are. Where there's a will, there's a way. Oh, almost had it. Try my screwdriver trick again. There it is. There she be. Ooh. Now that should be easier to come out. Ah, there it is. Bend the nails down. Goodbye 2x6. Okay. Let's just see what happens if I run the bar. The big Bertha. Whew. I think I'm going to have to cut it. I can pry on that, I guess. That's on the inside of the column. So it's okay. See, if they were stuck on the back side of that, I wouldn't be able to pry on it like this. Yeah, may be better off to cut it again. All right. I guess I'll cut it again with my Sawzall. Good Lord. Okay, check and see that I'm not hitting any nails. Guess I can go right in here. Whoa, good grief. The beauty of the 9-inch blade. If I had just the 6-inch blade, that would have been tricky. Would have been really tricky. Oh. I don't know how I got it cut up at an angle like that, but I did. I don't know if I'm through all the way. I think I got to cut just a little more. There. There. There we go. Now they're stuck on the other side of this wall here, straight over, so I gotta be careful not to tweak on it too much. Now I can pull on it. There it is. Got some nails some nails on this board on the inside. Bend them down. Whew. Whew. I've been out here all day long. I'm just tired. I'm tired. So you got 3 nails from this bottom plate coming down into the block. And so it's going to be hard to get it off.